Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can install ChatGPT on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your App Store on your iPhone. So after opening the App Store, now you have to tap on the search button that you can see in the bottom right corner right here. And after tapping on it, you will be able to see the search bar right above. Tap on it and start typing ChatGPT. You can see I have typed ChatGPT. Now tap on the search button on your keyboard and then you will be able to see the option of ChatGPT right here. Tap on it. And here you can see this kind of icon right here. So if you have not previously installed ChatGPT on your phone, there will be the option of get. Simply just tap on the option get. And then if you have put any kind of Face ID on your App Store, the Face ID will be required and then download process will be started. So since I have previously downloaded ChatGPT on my phone, there will be this kind of icon. Simply just tap on it and Face ID won't be required in it. Here you can see I have tapped on it and the download process has now begun. So all you have to do is wait a few minutes. And just like this, here you can see your download process has now been completed and all you have to do is now tap on the open button that you can see right here. So after tapping on the open button, now this will open the ChatGPT. Here you can see my ChatGPT has successfully been opened. And that is it. That is how you can install ChatGPT on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.